there, if we haven't met yet, my name is Sarah and I'm the mom next door. Today, let's do a review of the paid personal version of the Evernote app. So when you purchase the paid personal subscription to Evernote, you get what looks like a whole list of different features that comes with that subscription. The main things that stand out to me are increased storage, as well as the ability to annotate PDFs, to modify your home screen, and to manage to-do lists. Let's start by talking about storage. I really only use my Evernote app to organize my recipes, and I've used the free version of Evernote for quite some time to do that. I keep all my recipes along with photos in there, and I haven't run into storage issues so far. So the upgrade in storage really wasn't something that made a difference to me. Let's talk about tasks. So with the paid version of Evernote, there are some pretty cool features to help you track and manage your to-do list.
Here's how it looks when you go to add a task in your Evernote app. First, you enter the information about what the task is. Then you can tap on the calendar to add a scheduled date and even a time. Once you add the time and the date to your task, you'll also have the option to add an alert. Here's a quick look at a list of tasks inside the Evernote app.
But after testing it out, I really found that I'm most comfortable using the Reminders app on my iPhone.
Here's how it looks to add a new task in the Reminders app. Just like in Evernote, you can assign a date and time, you can assign a reminder or an alert, and there's a lot of other cool features in the Reminders app as well. Here's a preview of a to-do list in a Reminders app.
I love using the Reminders app to organize my tasks and plan my day. And I just keep going back to that. Even after trying Evernote, nothing beats the Reminders app on your iPhone for me. In fact, I have a video with a tutorial of how to use that app and some productivity tips, so I'll put a link up above. So in the paid version of Evernote, you could upload a PDF or an image or form, and you could fill it out and even sign it, which is another really cool feature of the paid personal version of Evernote.
Here's a PDF of a bingo card just for fun, and here's a preview of how it looks to annotate a PDF in the paid version of Evernote. You can add arrows and shapes, you can type on your PDF, you can write on it, you can do all kinds of things.
I've found that the easiest way to fill out forms and sign them is by taking a screenshot and using the editing features on my phone. So going through the Evernote app to fill out forms or annotate a PDF for the purposes that I need it for just felt like more work than the method that I already use. I have a video tutorial on how to sign and fill out forms using your iPhone, and I'll put a link up above to that video as well because I feel like that's the easiest way to do it. Another feature I tested out with the paid version of Evernote was the ability to modify your home screen. You can add different things like multiple scratch pads, you can rearrange the layout, you could add a calendar or make your to-do list on your home screen, so you can really customize to your own needs how the app looks when you open it up. If you use Evernote for a lot of things like managing your calendar and tracking your to-do list, then I could see how that would be pretty helpful. Overall, again, I am a really big fan of Evernote. I love the free version. I use it to organize recipes and it makes meal planning really easy for me. While I'm a big fan of the paid version of Evernote, I didn't personally feel like it was worth it to upgrade to the paid subscription personal version of Evernote. The main reasons I didn't feel like it was worth it for me was because I didn't have a need for additional storage. I love managing my to-do lists and my tasks through the Reminders app. And I find the easiest way to annotate PDFs is just using the screenshot feature or the edit photos feature on your iPhone. So for me, the upgrade wasn't worth it. I'm gonna stick with the free version of Evernote. I'm gonna keep loving that free version, and I'm glad they have that to offer. I would love to know, what do you think? Do you use the upgraded version of Evernote? What are your questions, and why or why not do you think it's worth it for you? Post in the comments below.